And welcome to the stream. Buckadita. And we're gonna uh-oh, hello. Fuck. Without the thing. Hello. We're gonna continue on our playthrough here. Alright.
I hope you find your son.
Hope I find my son too, you. I don't know what the fuck you doing in my house though.
What's going on?
Cardwork. Oh my god, cardwork. Fuck. Get this on. We gonna we're gonna go to Diamond City and turn in, you know, the story quest we had did. So off stream, what I did was I can't turn these on because reasons. Hey, how you doing? We love you, Tony. Sounds pretty good. Ain't nothing looping or nothing like that.
Yes.
For you.
Protection for sale. Hand-tooled pieces.
The hub of trade for all Diamond City right here.
Let me turn the volume down for me, man. I feel like this might be a little too high. You know what? Never mind. Fuck it.
Hey,
Whatever.
I'll be right back.
They don't seem to be picking it up. So.
Don't be caught dead. Protection from Commonwealth
All right.
weaponry.
Hey, swatter, 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 swatter,
Excuse me, you got a moment?
swing, swatter.
About the possible infiltration.
Anyway, we're gonna you know, go back, talk to Mr. Valentine.
Ellie, are you here?
Nick? Oh God, it's really you.
Well, it's hard to mistake this mug for anyone else.
You keep laughing at death. Someday death's gonna laugh back.
Not as long as I got a few friends to back me up.
You saved Nick, this agency, and my job. Thank you.
Happy to
Happy
do
to
it.
do it.
Yeah? Go diving into scary pre-war ruins all the time then, do ya? Here.
Yeah,
I
my
know you were
pastime.
sit on the table when you went out to find him, but you deserve a reward. Plus a little something extra. Now, if you're looking for work and don't mind putting on the detective hat, Nick sure could use a new partner.
Whoa. One case at a time, Ellie. Our new friend needs our help first. All right, let's get down to business. Take a seat. Make yourself
All right.
When you're trying to find someone who's gone missing, the devil is in the details. Tell me everything you can, no matter how painful it might be.
Right. Let me see, my husband.
We were in a vault when it happened. Vault 111. It was some kind of cryo facility.
You were on ice, huh? More importantly, you were underground, sealed up. It's a lot of obstacles to get through just to take one person. What else can you tell me?
We're
Looking
looking
for
for
my
my
baby.
baby, Sean. He's less than a year old. Why would anyone take him?
Good question. Why your family in particular? And why an infant? Someone would be taking on all of his care, and a baby needs a lot of it. Anything else you remember?
There was a man and a woman. They didn't say much, but I remember them calling me to bike up.
There was a man and a woman. They didn't say much, but I remember they called me the backup.
So we're talking a small team. Professionals. The kind that know to keep their lips tight when they're on the job. Not sure what the backup means, though. Well, that confirms it. This isn't a random kidnapping. Whoever took your kid had an agenda. There's a lot of groups in the Commonwealth that take people. Raiders, super mutants, the Gunners, and of course there's the Institute.
An institute?
So you think this Institute is responsible?
Well, they're the boogeymen of the Commonwealth. Something goes wrong, everyone blames them. Easy to see why. Those early model synths of theirs strip whole towns for parts, killing everything in their way. Then you got the newer models, good as human, that infiltrate cities and pull strings from the shadows. Worst of all, no one knows why they do it, what their plan is, or where they are. Not even me. And I'm a synth myself. A discarded prototype, anyway.
You're a prototype.
Prototype?
As far as I know, never seen any other synth like myself. There's the older ones that are dumb as rocks and all metal, and there's the newer ones that are almost human. I'm somewhere in between.
Either way, I need to find Sean.
You're right. The speculation is getting us off track. Let's focus on what you saw. What did these kidnappers look like?
I'll never forget the voice, Lord. Man that killed my husband, he had a good look at it. One of them came right up to me, bald head, scar across his left eye. One was dressed in, I think it was some other suit. Man,
One of them came
Go
right
down.
up to me. Bald head, scar across his left eye.
Wait. It couldn't be. You didn't hear the name Kellog at all, did you?
Kellog.
I might have. Everything was foggy.
It's way too big of a coincidence. Ellie, what notes do we have about the Kellog case?
The description matches. Bald head, scar, reputation for dangerous mercenary work, but no one knows who his employer is.
And he bought a house here in town, right? And he had a kid with him, didn't he?
Yeah, that's right. The house in the abandoned West Stands. The boy with him was around 10 years old.
Maybe it's another kidnapped kid.
Yeah, either that or he's got a son of his own. Not a comforting thought in any case. Both of them vanished a while ago. Haven't been heard or seen since. Let's you and I take a walk over to Kellogg's last known address. See if we can snoop out where he went.
Security doesn't really go to that part of town, but you two should still be careful.
I always am.
Oh, what were you hiding?
Alright. So we just did that. Story quest.
I think someone was
Now.
using this as a trash can.
Just follow they're supposed to follow him. You know what we're gonna do?
Didn't want Ellie to hear this.
I know what to do next.
Everything
I don't got no way, I don't got lock picking up or anything.
We got
What we're gonna do instead.
Hey, you were in the paper, right?
Can I?
200
I don't know if I can do it yet. I just thought about it.
for your age, huh?
Maybe I gotta have the conversation first. So I have the information I need to prompt to ask. You did?
9 to 1 odds says he's our man. More than just you identifying his distinguishing features. The MO is all him as well. Leading a small team to kidnap a baby and leaving one of the parents alive for later? Not many mercs in the Commonwealth can pull that off.
Nick.
Stubborn lock, ain't it? See that platform in the distance, near the city entrance? That's the elevator to the mayor's office. Why don't you go ask around there? I'll stay here and see if I can jimmy this lock.
Read the public and be prepared.
There. Go talk to the mayor. Pick my most charming outfit on, cause you know when you talk to people, you might as well go on here. Go on. I remember one time, guys, I actually fell off of this thing. I was so pissed. I hadn't saved in a decent amount of time.
The mayor's receiving visitors as long as they aren't members of the press. Did you need help?
I need to talk to someone about...
Mr. Kellogg's residence? He left town a while ago. We foreclosed on the property and locked it up. If there was something belonging to the man that you have a claim on, you could ask the mayor to hear you out. No guarantees.
I'll talk to the mayor then.
He's set aside time to talk to petitioners all day. Best of luck.
No funny business around the mayor. Got it?
Ah, yes. I remember you. Our new arrival.
Yeah?
I wish I was in your shoes, getting to see our glorious city for the first time. How can I help you?
A man named Kellogg used to live in this city. I need to search his house.
I see. Well, whatever reasons you have, I take my citizens' privacy very seriously. Even after they've left. I can't allow you to invade someone else's home. That's all there is to it.
Please, Mayor McDonough. This man, Kellogg, kidnapped my baby. I need to find him.
Oh, of course.
Oh, it worked.
I will do everything in my power to help you overcome this horrible personal tragedy. I remember Mr. Kellogg. Didn't like him myself. Paranoid. Never talked to anyone. I doubt you'll find him. But I insist you take the key to his old house. It's been abandoned, though. I'm afraid this whole thing might be fruitless.
Thanks for the key, Mayor. If you fail, you have to pay that right now. Ugh. I can't wait to play my asshole playthrough. I do whatever the hell I want to people. Can't really be that much of an asshole though. Not like say Mass Effect or whatever. Star Wars. Can't be too much of an asshole. My problem with Star Wars, man, is that both the good and evil Jedi are kind of pricks, assholes. Anyway,
Got the key? All right, head in. Let's take a look around. Kellogg must have left something behind.
alright.
That's in better shape than I expected.
Button.
Well, that's one way to hide a room.
Yeah.
Look at this. All of a merc.
Gwynnett's stout beer, 44 caliber bullets, cigars. San Francisco Sunlights.
Interesting brand. Won't lead us anywhere on its own, though.
Let him lead his 44 caliber bullets. What's wrong with this?
What's with the
Really?
hard look? Say something.
I wonder if dog meat could pick up the scent.
Say, that's not a bad idea. Some dogs out there in the Commonwealth can track a man for miles. Why don't you go fetch him and let him have a whiff? See if he picks up the trail. Before you head out, I know this is personal business. If you have to face Kellog on your own, just say so. Besides, you already have plenty of company. We can't all go sniffing through the Commonwealth after one man.
Any words of wisdom?
Kellogg really is the one who kidnapped your son, then he's dangerous. But so are you. You don't need to be afraid of him, or anything else the Commonwealth throws at you.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Nick.
Hopefully not forever. I want to see you and your kids safe and sound when you get back. Good luck. Anytime you need help, just come knocking.
Alright. I'm gonna keep Piper for right now. Piper is one of the stronger characters in a lot of stats points. One of the stronger companions. Low on strength and it's 7. That's the lowest stat. Nick got some pretty low stats, but he has really high intelligence. Which I don't know what it does,
Get the scent, boy.
actually.
Get Kellogg, boy. Take me to that son of a bitch.
Right.